Hey there, welcome. This video demonstrates how to create transactional streams in TextPeak. You will learn how to start a stream creation wizard, fill in the necessary information, and perform various actions with existing streams. Streams API in TextPeak provides several SMS route types. Use transactional routes for sending notifications, reminders, alerts, or other messages related to customer actions. You can refer to a guide about route types before starting with the Streams API. To create a transactional stream in TextPeak, expand Streams API in the main menu, click Create Streams API, and choose Transactional. The platform will open a creation wizard for you. The first step is to fill in the Stream API details. Enter a stream name and description. Then, add one or more IP addresses from which you will make API calls. Optionally, create and apply tags so you can later quickly find the stream. In the default sender field, you can choose Customize to set a sender ID in each request, select a specific sender ID from the list for all requests, or add a new one and use it. When finished, click Save and Next. Or in each step, you can decide to finish later because the system saves the draft automatically. The second step is to define message content. Here, create one or more templates dedicated to specific actions. When adding them, enter a name and event key. Under the information icon, you can read about allowed characters in the key. Then, create the message template content. Type the text in the box. Below the box, you can see available variables in the API that let you create personalized messages. Click Create Template when the content is ready. You can create several templates at once, and temporarily disable unnecessary ones at this step or later when editing the stream. After you click Next, you can review the stream summary. You can find the request preview on the right. If needed, copy the endpoint, or body of the send, or status request right away. After you click Create Stream, a pop-up window shows your authorization token. Copy it and then mark it Done. Your stream is added to the list and you can start running your API requests. Now, see how you can manage your streams on the Streams API page. In the Action column, several controls are available. If you forgot to copy the authorization token, you can do it here, or generate a new one, test, edit the stream, and more. Thank you for watching. In our videos, you can also learn how to create an OTP stream.